Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the deductions available for recent storms in Texas, including Hurricane Beryl and the Houston derecho of 2024. My name is Kyle McLean and I'm a partner and senior wealth manager here with Rhame and Gorrell Wealth Management. Before we get into the specifics of these events, I first want to talk about what tax deductions are available for federally declared disasters. Due to unique tax rules surrounding a federally declared disaster, things like roofing repairs, flood damage, landscape removal and replacement, and any action undertaken to restore the property to its original condition are available as deductions, regardless of whether or not you itemize. Unlike the pre-Tax Cuts and Jobs Act tax code, which only allowed casualty losses that exceed 10% of your adjusted gross income, or AGI, the current tax code allows you to take a casualty loss as long as the loss is tied to a federally declared disaster. This disaster declaration must be made by the President and falls under Section 401 of the Stafford Act. In the event of a disaster, any losses unreimbursed by insurance are reduced by a total of $500, then eligible as a deduction, either as an itemized deduction or added to an individual's standard deduction. Again, these losses do not need to exceed the 10% of AGI threshold to be a useful deduction and are available for the 2024 tax year. In order to calculate the loss, you should generally use the unreimbursed reduction in fair market value of the property caused by the event, but that can be difficult to determine. For what is described as de minimis losses, which are losses less than $5,000, the IRS typically accepts a good faith estimate of the cost incurred to restore the property to its original condition. For larger losses, an independent contractor's estimate is a good avenue for documenting the loss. Note that the repairs need not actually occur in order to claim this loss. Now, let's dive into the specific weather events from 2024 that have a FEMA disaster declaration number. On May 16th of 2024, an especially strong and long-lasting band of storms, termed a derecho, charged across central Texas and struck Houston. The storm unleashed tornadoes and destructive winds that reached 100 miles per hour. It shattered windows, tore roofs off of homes, and toppled trees and power lines. Nearly 1 million homes and businesses in the greater Houston area lost power. President Biden then declared a federal disaster for the affected counties, and the FEMA disaster number is DR 4781-TX. The most recent and notable storm was Hurricane Beryl. Hurricane Beryl made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane near Matagorda, Texas, with impacts continuing north and northeast with strong winds, heavy rainfall, and flooding. The storm also caused a significant impact across Texas from July 5th to July 9th, leaving millions without power. On July 9th, President Biden declared a federal emergency and disaster declaration for the affected counties. The FEMA disaster number for this event is DR 4789-TX. So, if you, a family member, or a friend experienced a negative financial impact as a result of the recent severe weather, consider using this deduction while it's still available. Traditional damages such as downed fences, damaged roofs, floodwater issues, and landscape repairs for downed trees or other features are a good place to start when calculating damages. However, one of the most common losses is often food spoilage. Make sure that you are thinking about all of these items when considering your personal casualty losses. The many CFP and CPA tax professionals on our staff specialize in helping our clients take advantage of advanced tax planning opportunities. We invite you to schedule a complimentary consultation with our team by giving us a call, sending us an email, or visiting our website today.